who is by profession, Ms. Shefan Sheikh, to introduce today's first speaker, Mr. Mangesh Gaukar. Shefan?
Yeah, hi, good morning, everyone. Well, I proudly present you an ordinary boy who gave up his high paid up job as a section head of a department from a reputed firm way back in 2011 to join the nation's topmost life insurance corporation of India and took a leap to become a most successful and admired life insurance advisor. Well, qualified over 5 times as an MDRT, that is $1 million round table, most prestigious recognition in insurance field. True to the LIC slogan, Zindagi ke saath bhi and Zindagi ke baad bhi, he has been with his clients in times of grief and in times of joy. He has arranged a lot of services in times where their spouses have been away and they could not reach out to their families. So, well, as I said, he stands strong with his clients. He has impressed all of his clients as well as BMI family with his exemplary and efficiency and commitment to his work. A self-made man, our very own number one, none other than Mangesh Gaonkar. Here for you, Mangesh.
Thank you, the most trusted referral partner, Shefan, for giving us such a wonderful introduction. Let me correct you, wherein she mentioned 5 times, it is a 10 times MDRT back to back, and in this particular industry, I'm there for almost 10 years. Next slide, please, Peter. That's my logo actually. That's my family. My daughter Kyra, Ayan, a little one, now turned 9 months. Kyra, 3.5. My wife, and yes, me and my office. Next. This is the masterpiece which was designed by none other than architect Rita Modi Joshi, which she did a fantastic job with her designing. You people can come over for one-to-one so that I can discuss on the left side of your balance sheet in detail. Next. That's my team. I have recently introduced one more addition to our team. That's her name is Nikita, who will be looking after especially claims, maturity claim, death claims, survival benefits. She will be going to take over only the claim related issues. Rest of the teams take the field work, and here is Renuka, who also take part in the admin part. Next. Okay, I always speak about the pension plan, and yes, in this today's scenario, in this particular pandemic, this particular plan is being most highlight, I should say, for Life Insurance Corporation of India. Jivan, Shanti and Akshay, these are the plans which are doing wonderfully very well. It's a next slide, please. I will just speak on this particular. Next slide, please, Peter. See, this is basically a deferred annuity, means Shanti is a deferred annuity, and whereas Akshay is an immediate pension. You need to just invest once. Once you invest, you can get immediate annuity, means next 1 month annuity in the form of pension. In Akshay plan, and in the Shanti, we have a deferred right from 1 year to 19 years of term. Next. Why this plan is more attractive as such? Everybody knows that now even people will agree on this. Our bankman, the repo rates has come down. Repo rates in here means the RBI lend the money to the commercial banks, and this is now right now the 4% is the repo rate, and accordingly the interest rates also drops, and that's why this particular plans is very well. It is like fixed income you are getting for your lifetime, wherein securing your corpus, and this corpus is nowhere linked to the market. You are getting your corpus to the nominee, or this particular corpus can be given to your siblings also. Next. This is what basically a minimum amount, how much you need to invest. Maximum, there is no limit as such. Even a 100-year guy can invest minimum 30-year person to invest. Sorry. Next. Another which possibly our government is promoting this particular pension plan, which is especially for a senior citizen who are about 60-year-old. This is called Pradhan Mantri Vaya Vandana Yojana, which particularly one spouse can invest maximum from next slide please, maximum amount of almost 15 lakhs rupees, wherein they can get a pension of amount 9,000 plus 9,000, almost 10,000 rupees per month. Highest limit is 15 lakhs per spouse. Next. Yes, our financial advisor Umesh Naik is here, and he will be fully agree on this particular, slide. We call this is the Brist, but Brist is your life insurance. Though you have all these instruments, life insurance plays a very important role. Buying adequate life insurance should be your first priority. Next. Here I always speak about the plan called which take care of your liability, which is called as Jivan Amar. I always believe in giving a term insurance. Yes, you need to calculate your liabilities. It is always important to insure your liability against your life. Liability includes not only your housing loan or personal loan, even car is considered to be a liability. A person like who is owner of a BMW or say Mercedes, the value is almost 40 lakhs or 35 lakhs or 50 lakhs. He may go for a loan of 30 or 25 lakhs for odd figure. He should or he or she should insure those liability also against life. So for more details, you can check into my office so that get your balance sheet. I will calculate your liabilities. I will ensure that you people are insured for your liabilities. Next slide. I focus more on this particular product because under liability is covered, mode is there yearly and half yearly. Recently, I have given this particular plan for Sachin Sinari and Dheeraj Mamre. They were kind enough, in fact, they will fully agree how important is the life insurance because though they had most of the instruments, but they were lagging behind with respect to this particular product. Next. Double accidental benefit is an inbuilt benefit, which particular, I should not say it is an inbuilt benefit, it is an optional benefit, which you people can take it. Next. Entry age for this particular plan is 18 years and maximum is 65. Highest term we can give is 40 years for this particular plan. Next. This is what basically I just wanted to put a highlight. Shefan already mentioned that services which I do promote from my end, whether you are my client or not, but Mangesh will be there 24/7 at your doorstep. My team is well versed with this. May it be your restart, revival, maturity, survival, nomination change, documentation, document is lost, anything if you wanted to transfer the policy, like for example for Alka we did a fantastic job and she took all the policies in Mumbai and we transfer those particular policy and we helped her also. Next. Yes, this is a beautiful slide which everybody will agree on this. Keep your policy enforced because you will enjoy the benefit only policies are enforced. Next. Thank you. If any questions, testimonies are there, you are most welcome. What is the time? Peter, I have more time?
No, you've got 5 seconds.
Okay.
Sorry, Mangesh, time up.
Okay, done. So I'm open for a question or testimony as well.
I have a testimony for Mangesh.
Yes, Padma.
I think Mangesh, as his name says, and you can tell that he's won the MDRT 10 times undoubtedly because of his services. Very service-oriented guy, he's been servicing my life insurance since a couple of last years. And I forget myself, but his guys are on time, on the door doing it. I don't even have to worry about it. I highly recommend his services.
Thank you, Bhajan. As time is passing, only one testimonial will be accepted. Rest can be put on chat or submitted to our vice president. Anyone else would like to give a testimonial?
Yes, Mangesh has got immense knowledge about this life insurance. It is not that only you have to make policies, but you can refer him with your old policies also. He'll guide you regarding lapsation, which policies are good. And also help us in lot of ways whether we have to go on with those policies, what will be the benefits and all. And he is actually, his boys are also very cooperative. Good wishes, Mangesh.
Thank you, Dheeraj. Thank you, Mangesh. It was very informative. And now I request Ms. Fawzia Shahid to introduce today's first speaker, the second speaker.